This is Sir Darren, your online teacher. Today, we're going to study about ratio. Okay, so let's start with its definition. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. When you say quantities, it means number. So we are comparing two numbers of different objects. Okay, so as you can see in our screen today, we have a picture of strawberries and we have pictures of oranges. And then we have a question here. What is the ratio of strawberry to oranges? Okay, so the first thing that you are going to observe is the question, the format of the question. How does it form? Okay, so it states here that strawberry and oranges. Okay, so strawberry comes first before the oranges. It comes first before the oranges. So we're just going to try to write it here. Okay, and this one, the word oranges. Okay, that is just a simple guide. All right, so these two, you are going to convert that into a column, and then you are going to identify the number of strawberry in the picture. Okay, so let's count. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many strawberries we got? We got, very good, we got 6 strawberries. Okay, and then we are going to get the number of oranges that we can see on the picture. Okay, so let's count it. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. How many? We got 3 strawberries. So let's write it here. Okay, 6 to 3. So we got 6 strawberry to 3 oranges. And then, do you know that a ratio can be written in 3 forms? This is one of the form. This is the column form. Okay, and there is another form for that, which is the word form, which is 6 is to 3. And there is another form, which is a fraction form, which is 6 over 3. Okay, and we are going to focus here. Okay, when we are dealing with ratio. Why? Because we have already knowledge about fraction, and we are going to simplify if it's necessary when we are dealing with fraction. Okay, so we are going to lowest term 6 over 3 or 6 to 3 by getting its GCF. Okay, so the GCF of 6 and 3 is, very good, we got 3. Okay, so you're going to divide both numerator and denominator by its GCF. And we are going to get the simplified form of that ratio. So 6 divided by 3 will give you, very good, we got 2. And 3 divided by 3 will give you 1. Okay, so the ratio now, the simplified form now is 2 to 1. All right, you getting me? Okay. Now let's have another example, and this is in a form of word problem. Okay, given in a class there were 20 females and 14 males. What is the ratio of male to female? Okay, so the very first thing that you are going to do is, of course, you are going to identify first the question. Okay, it says here male to female. So male to female. Okay, and you're going to convert that into column. Okay, and the male, you're going to identify how many males do we have. It says 14, so we got 14 males. And how many females do we have? It says we got 20 females. All right, so we have now a ratio of 14 to 20. Okay, now if you are going to convert that or transform that into a fraction form, it would go to 14 over 20. And then you are going to simplify that. take the lowest term, get the GCF. So what is the GCF of 14 and 20? The GCF will be 2. Alright. So 14 divided by 2 will give you 7, and 20 divided by 2 will give you 10. So the simplified ratio of the class will be 7 to 10. Okay, so there will be 7 males for every 10 females. Alright? Okay, now you may pause the video and try to solve this problem and get the ratio. Alright, so let's see. Okay, it says here, in a fruit basket, there are 30 apples and 6 bananas. What is the ratio of apple to banana? The first thing that you are going to observe here is, again, the question. It says here, apple to banana. So you are just going to apple to banana. Okay, so you're just going to make this as a colon, and you're going to get the number of apple. How many? We got 30 apples here. 30. So you're just going to make it 30. Okay, and the number of banana. How many bananas do we have? We got 6. Okay, we got 6. And then transform this colon form of ratio into a fraction form. So 30 over 6. And then check if that is in the lowest term already. Okay, so for this 30 over 6, this is not yet in the lowest term. Okay, so you are going to get the GCF. So 30, okay, you're going to get the GCF of 30 and 6, and their GCF is, very good, we got 6. Okay, so you're just going to divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF. Okay, so we have here 30 divided by 6. What is the answer? Very good. So we got 5 here. Okay, over 6 divided by 6 is 1. So our answer here is 5 to 1. Okay, so sir, can we write it as 5 only? The answer is no. Okay, you cannot write it as 5. We are not dealing with a mere fraction. We are dealing with a ratio. And going back to the meaning of ratio, it says here that this is a comparison of two quantities. So if you are just going to write 5 here, because basically they are just the same, but if you're going to write 5, that is only one number. It says ratio is a comparison of two numbers. So you cannot take out this one. You cannot take out. Okay? You cannot write the answer as 5. No, you cannot write that. Okay? The answer should be 5 over 1. 5 over 1. Or, in the column form, it will become 5 to 1. Okay? You're getting me? Alright.